Hello my students, how are you? Today I explain a new lesson, talk about factorizing perfect square. Choose the correct answer, multiple choice questions. Okay, first question, choose the correct answer from the given ones. Which of the following trinomials represents perfect square? We can choose what here? We know perfect square, its meaning is the first term, we can find square root of it, and the third also, and the middle equal positive or negative 2 product by square root of first product by square root of the third. Look at here. First question, square root of x power 2 equal x, square root of 25, 5, but 2 times 5 equal 10. Then we can choose the first. And the middle, we are negative here, negative and negative. We can't choose this because we have negative x power 2. We can't find square root of x power 2 by negative, okay? And the third, we can find square root of the first, square root of 1 over 9 x power 2 product by square root of the third 9y power 2 product by 2 positive or negative. Like at here, square root of 1 over 9, it will be 1 over 3. X power 2 equal x, and square root of 9y power 2 equal 3y. You can simplest, and the answer will be positive or negative 2xy. Is the same of the middle. Then the middle here equal positive or negative 2 product by square root of the first, product square root of the third. Then we must choose letter C. The answer here, letter C, we call it perfect square. We have square root of the first and square root of the third, and the middle equal 2 times square root of the first, product by square root of the third. Next question, number 2. Which of the following trinomials not represent or doesn't represent perfect square? Look at here first. We can find square root of the first, it will be 2x. Square root of the third, it will be half. If we product by 2, the result will be 2x in the middle. So you must choose letter A. We called it perfect square, but he asked about doesn't. Look at here, doesn't. Then we can't choose letter A because he asked about the wrong factorizing. What about letter B? We have here square root of 25x power 2 equal 5x. Square root of 9 equals 3. We can product it by 2. The result will be 2 times 5, 10, 10 times 3, 30. 30, but we haven't y. Then we can't choose this because we haven't here y. Then the answer will be, it will be 10 times 3, it was 30x. But we have here 30xy. We haven't y in the example. Then the wrong answer will be letter B. He asked about the expression doesn't represent perfect square. It shows what? It shows letter B. Next question, number 3. If the polynomial 4x power 2 plus kx plus 1 is a perfect square, what is the value of k? K here lies in the middle. We can write kx equal positive or negative 2 product by square root of the first, 4x power 2 product by square root of the third. Write positive or negative 2 product by square root of this number, it will be 2x. The result will be positive or negative 4x. Then we can comparing the coefficient of x here, k, equal positive or negative 4. The answer will be letter C. Understood? It's a perfect square. Understood? Okay, next question. Number 4 is a polynomial 36 x power 2 plus k x plus 1 is a perfect square. What is the positive value of k? K here lies in the middle. Then kx will be, he asked about positive. Okay, then we can write the rule here, positive 2 product by square root of the first, 36x power 2 product by square root of the third. Right, positive or negative? Right, positive, okay. 2 product by square root of the first, it will be 36 square root of it, it will be 6x. Product by 1, then the answer will be 12x. Then the value of k equal what? K is the coefficient of x, then the value of k here equal 12. Choose letter C. Next question, number 5. If the polynomial kx power 2 subtracted by 12x plus 9 is a perfect square. Trinomial. What is the value of k? K here lies in the first. The first kx power 2 equal, we can write the middle here, negative 12x power 2. Okay, the middle power 2 divided by 4 product by the first. 4 product by the first by the third, because we won't find what? We won't find the first. In the first equals the middle power 2 over 4 product by third. Then the answer will be what? 12 power 2, it will be 144. X power 2 over 4 times 9 equals 36. And then we can simplest. 144 divided by 36 equal 4. And write x power 2. Then we can combine it between kx power 2 and 4x power 2. K here, it's a coefficient. It will be 4, positive, not positive or negative, because k here must be positive. We can find the first perfect square. Then the value of k here equal 4. Next question. If the polynomial 16x power 2 subtract 40x plus k power 2 is a perfect square. What is the value of k here? We know k power 2 equal, it's the third. The third will be equal, raise the middle, power 2, negative 40x all power 2, divided by 4, product by first, 16x power 2. Okay, then we can complete k power 2 equal, right here, 40 power 2, it will be 40 times 40 over 4 product by 16 x power 2, we can divide it by x power 2. And then 40 times 40 divided by this number, we can simplest. 40 divided by 4 equal 10. And 16 divided by 4 equal 4. 40 divided by 4 is 10. 100 times 100 divided by 4 is 25. Then k power 2 equal 25. We can find the positive or negative value. K here, positive or negative square root of 100, because k power 2 equal 10 times 10, 100. Square root of 100 equal, we have square root of 100. We have also here down 100 divided by 4 is 25. Square root of 25 will be positive or negative 5. Again, 10 times 10, 100. 100 divided by 4 is 25. Square root of 25 equal 5. Okay. Then 25, square root of 25 is 5, right? Positive or negative 5. Next question. If the minimal c plus 3x plus 1 over 4 is the perfect square. We have here perfect square. What is the value of c? C here lies in the first. Look at here. C here is the first. We can raise the rule. C equal, write the middle here, power 2. This middle, 3x power 2 divided by 4, product by the third. 4 divided by 4 is 1. And we have 3 power 2 is 9. 9x power 2. And the value of c equal 9x power 2, because we have here perfect square. Next question, we have x and y here. What is the value of the numerical expression? This expression we call the perfect square, because we can find the square root of the first, square root of the third, and the middle equal 2 times the square root of the first, product by square root of the third. This example perfect square. You can simplify it, right? Square root of the first, square root of the third, and raise the sign of the middle here positive, all power 2. Okay, and then we can add together, add x plus y, and then simplest. And the answer we must write it power 2. Like this. Like this, okay? Look at here, we have x plus y, x plus y. First, x plus y, right? Square root of 5 plus square root of 2. Okay, understood? Plus y equals square root of 5 subtracted by square root of 2. We can simplest. His answer will be 2 root 5. Now I will write the answer here, 2 root 5 all power 2. 2 power 2 is 4, and root 5 power 2 is 5. 4 times 5 equal 20. Then the answer will be 20. Choose letter B. Next question down here, question number 9. Last question 9 and 10, okay? Question number 9. If a power 2 plus 2 eb plus b power 2 equals 36, what is the value of e plus b? Okay. This expression we called it perfect square because the middle term equal square root of first and third product by 2. Means we can factorize this expression down here. Square root of the first, a square root of the third, and raise the middle sign here positive, all power 2. The answer will be 36. Now we can find a plus b by write square root positive or negative 36. Square root of 36 equals 6. Okay, then the answer here positive or negative 6. Last question, square has an area. We have area of square. What is the length in the term of x? Length in term of x. Okay, we know the area of square side by side. Then we can find the side length here by square root of the area. The square root of the area here. Okay. This example we called it perfect square. Then we can simplest this expression. Simplest here it will be square root of the first, square root of the third, and the sign here positive. All power 2. And the answer will be what? Will be the area. He give me this area. Then we can find the side lengths. We know area equals side by side or side square. Okay. Then the side lengths equals square root of the area. Square root of this number will be 3x power 2 plus 5. We can cancel the power 2 here. The answer will be 3x power 2 plus 5. 3x power 2 plus 5. Okay. The side length square root of the area. Okay. It's the last question, my students. Okay. I will complete inshallah next question in the future. Okay. Goodbye.